Everybody, it's Jamie. Today I am going to take you along with me as I make an advent calendar for my family this Christmas. So if you want to see how to make one for your own family, then just keep on watching. So I have on the floor here everything laid out that I'm going to be needing for the advent calendar. I made this little calendar and I just wrote out everything that I wanted to do. And then once you have your 25 days all planned out, then the next thing that I did was to go through every day and write down if I needed something. Like, so for the first day, we're decorating our bedrooms, so I don't need anything because I already have all their decorations. Write it down if you need something. Like the stationery right here on day 4, I don't need to buy stationery, I already have it, so I did not include it in my to get shopping list, if that makes sense. Like, you need to write down everything that you're going to need for this month that you want to wrap in advance, and then go back and look at all the things you need and make a separate shopping list of things you need to get. Okay, so once you have all of your supplies ready to go for the actual advent calendar, you're gonna need a few things to wrap this. So I have just regular brown butcher paper, and then this little crafty looking brown butcher paper with snowflakes on it. And I believe I got this at Hobby Lobby, and this one I got at Michael's. You will need scissors and tape, of course. I am going to be making little dated tags to go with all the wrapped up little gifts and activities. So what I did to make these, you can of course buy them. I think you could probably buy a pack of 25 for like $5 at Michael's or Hobby Lobby or any craft store really, but I just bought decorative paper, 3 different kinds, and it cost me $3. So I cut these out using the Cricut. If you don't have a Cricut, you could always just take a cup, draw a circle on the paper, and then cut it by hand, and then use a hole puncher to punch a hole. If you have a Cricut, what I did was I just took the shapes, the circle shape, added it to the design template, and then put another hole on top of it, sliced it together, and then remove the center so that what you're left with is this design. Just a circle with a hole in the middle, and it'll cut it out just like this. So I'm going to just take these stickers, and it's a pretty big pack. I think it was like $5 or maybe $4 at Michael's. And they're little foam black glitter stickers. So I will be taking these and just adding them to the gift tags like this. So once you put your little number on there for the date, then I just have some jute rope, or you can use twine, and I'm just going to tie a little piece through that hole and then pop it on top of the bag, and then tie the bag up to the log that I'm going to be attaching these to. This is day 1. I made all of these with the Canva app, or you could go on the website. It says, let's decorate our bedrooms to get into the Christmas spirit. So I printed these and then just laminated them so that I can reuse them next year, or, you know, change it up. But at least I'll have the option to use it again. So I'm just gonna wrap these. Okay, so once you've wrapped your package, which I just kind of envelope wrapped it, I went ahead and took my numbered date tag and tied a little loop of jute rope around it. And then eventually what I'm going to do is hang this up on a piece of string that will be attached to a log, and then use a clothespin, most likely, and pin this to the package. So it'll look like this. Day 1, it'll look just like this. By the way, you might also want to add like a number 1 in case somehow these two get separated before you get a chance to hang them up and attach them. Okay, so I decided I wanted to explain all of these dates to you. That way I don't have to like one at a time show you as I'm wrapping them. So day 2, learn about the story of Jesus' birth. And this is a tag that I made to go along with it. And they will be also getting some wrapped Hershey's Kisses to eat while they watch about Jesus. Day 3 is watch a Christmas movie with popcorn. So I made this little tag so that they can see what it is, and then I will be wrapping popcorn. Write a letter to Santa Claus. I have day 5 coloring pages. This is what I will be giving them. Christmas coloring, Christmas song, dance party, use your finger lights, and dance crazy. So I have this little thing that they'll open, and then I got these, perfect, in a pack of 3. I got these at Michael's, but they were $1, so you might be able to find them at a dollar store, but they were at Michael's, and they light up. So they're super fun. The kids will really like it. And we'll just turn off all the lights and put on some Christmas music and dance around, and it'll be awesome. Bake cookies for the neighbors. Can you guys see that? So I got these little tins from the Dollar Tree, and I got all kinds of different designs, but I'm thinking we're gonna fit about 5 cookies in there and then wrap it up with ribbon and put a little sign like from our family to yours, and then go drop them on their doorsteps. On Tuesday, day 8, we will be making these garlands to count down the rest of the days of Christmas. Day 9, we will be making bracelets for each other. So I don't have signs for these days, but I mean, it's kind of obvious what we're gonna be doing, and then I'll let them know. Day 10, read a Christmas book. Day 11, which is a Friday, so we are going to go see the Christmas lights. I will make hot chocolate for the girls to take in the car, and we'll get in our jammas and we'll go cruise around looking for lights. So on day 12, say cheese, family picture time. Day 13, go pick a Christmas tree. On Monday, day 14, pine cone bird feeders. And then the next day, Tuesday, day 15, I have design your own Christmas card and mail / gift to a friend. So I'm just gonna let them pick whoever they want, just one person, first person that comes to their mind. We'll write them a card, and then we'll put their address on it and mail it to them. We are going to eat a candy cane and watch stories about how they're made. I'm gonna meet up with some people that have kids and go walk around the neighborhood and look at Christmas lights. So hi Declan, shout out. Another Friday one, decorate sugar cookies. Do something nice for someone. Drop off at Starbucks for a friend. Drive through Nativity. Day 21, DIY mini pizza night and Angela's Christmas movie marathon. So if you have Netflix, you know about Angela's Christmas. It's a super cute half-hour movie. They just came out with the second one, so we're gonna watch both of them. On the 22nd, I got these activity packs. They were $1 each. On this day, I'm gonna take out each kid by themselves, and we're gonna go to the Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna let them pick out presents for their siblings and their cousin. The whole point is that they pick it out, they're gonna buy it, and then when we get home, they will be wrapping it themselves. So it'll be a fun little Christmas experience for them. All right, and then the last 2 days, we have bake cookies for Santa and watch the Jesus stories. And then on Christmas Day, we always make cinnamon rolls, but this year we want to have the girls help us make them. So when they wake up, this will be the first thing that they unwrap on the advent calendar, and then we'll make the Christmas rolls together before we start unwrapping presents and doing all the Christmas activities for the day. So that's everything explained. I'm going to get wrapping here. I'll probably speed it up. I mean, you get it. You just wrap stuff. That's it. So once everything is wrapped, I will explain to you exactly how I will be hanging this up. To the number part of this project. I think they turned out really good. And I mean, I have some left over, so I'll probably use those for gift tags or presents. And then, you know, leftover numbers are always good. Leftovers are always good when you're a crafter. Turns into sort of a hoarding situation sometimes though, am I right? I'm gonna tie up all the ropes and then lay everything out. Once you have all your cords cut, go ahead and attach them to your tags just by flipping them through and then tying a quick knot. Just like that. Done. Okay, so my husband cut this log and I just tied some of the jute rope to it. I'll show you where we're gonna hang it up. We're gonna put it in the hallway here, and I'll probably move the nail so it's a little bit more centered. Yeah, because I want it off this wall, but it'll just be like this, and then I'll tie up all the packages at different levels on the wall here. Super easy. Here's the thing, the log hanging on the wall, and then we already started with one. So what I did is I just took a piece of the twine and tied it up here, and then you just take your clothespin and you pin it onto the rope. All 25 strings are on. So I'm gonna start hanging packages and see if it stays on the wall. This is pretty heavy. It's 3 hot chocolate packets, and it's being held on there by a clothespin. So I think as long as no one touches it, it'll totally hold, but I don't know, I might have to move it up higher on the wall because of the kids, but it looks cute. Kind of like Jenga. You know, how many packages can we get on here before it falls? Well, it held. Hope you liked this video. As always, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss anything in the future. Happy holidays!